Alright, I was just making a bit of a damp mix. What are you making today, dear?
Savoury dampers for lunch.
Nice.
So
Alright,
we're gonna...
keep you informed along the way. Alright, dough's made. So what's the ingredients there, Laura?
Okay, so to make the dough, you need 1.5 Yeti cups of self-raising flour, just here. And you need a good big scoop of butter in there. Then you rub the butter into the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. And then you just keep adding a bit of milk and a bit of water until you get a nice dough like this, till it comes together and it'll be nice and soft and fluffy. And it's ready for the next stage.
Righto.
Okay, so what we're making now is the dampers for lunch. Everyone's having something a little bit different. Hayden's going to have ham and cheese. So basically I'll flatten the damper out, and we've had to improvise on the cheese. We've run out of grated cheese, so we've cut up some of our sliced cheese. So we'll spread it on there, put some ham and cheese, make it into a nice little ball. Emmelisa's having ham and cheese on hers today, and Glenn and I are having some leftover pulled pork with cheese and a little bit of barbecue sauce in the middle. So I'll put them together and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, now they're ready to go into the camp oven. So what we have here, we have a V for Vegemite and cheese that we changed our mind to. We've got a H for ham and cheese, and then we've got our 2 L's for the leftovers. So let's put them in the oven and eat soon.
Coal's ready.
Okay. Take them in. Just fold the foil over so that we can get them out a bit easier. Pop the lid back on.
Oh. Coals. Alright, that's it.
Oh, they're looking pretty good. Now what we do is we take them off the heat, take the coals off and leave them sit for another 5 minutes.
Alright, 5 minutes is up. Take the lid off and see what we've got. Oh yeah. Happy with that, Mrs. King?
I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll take them out now. Hence our little foil trick. Helps us able to remove them. Okay, now we get them out. We just need to separate them a little and then lift them out. So we've got our Vegemite and cheese damper, our ham and cheese damper, and these are our 2 with the leftover inside. Ooh, delicious. Okay, we'll cut into one of these and see how it goes. Nice crusty top. You can hear that crunch. And then inside is a pocket full of cheese and pulled pork goodness. Delicious.
Alright, how's the Vegemite cheese, Hayden?
Not too bad.
Nice. Junior, ham and cheese?
Perfect.
Give me a look. Oh yeah. Alright.
Mine's a little pulled pork pocket of goodness, and I put veggies in mine.
Very nice.
Yeah, all veggies.
Mm-mm.
How good is it, honey?
Bloody good.
Still silence from the kids.